Hi humans! What if I told you that I'm building a power plant with no moving parts, just these 3 ceramic modules, a custom heatsink and the raw energy of the summer sun. Today we are finding out exactly how much power, if any, this solid-state power plant can actually pull from the sky. Meet 3 TEC1-12706 modules. Initially, it is designed for cooling purposes, but this time, let's make it to generate power. Firstly, let's see how it works. These modules are usually used for cooling purposes, using the Peltier effect. You pump electricity in, and one side gets cold, while the other side gets hot. No moving parts, just solid-state physics, making it ideal for silent, compact applications. But today we are throwing that in reverse. We are using its Seebeck effect. If we force one side to be hot and the other side to stay cold, the module actually generates electricity. For my generator, I need a proper setup with heatsinks. As my heatsink is big enough, I will cut it in half, leaving one half for the cold side and another half for the hot side. Only a small modification is needed for the hot side, to remove extra aluminum plates, as I will need a flat surface. Also, I painted the top heatsink in black, as black surfaces absorb sunlight much more efficiently, so hopefully this side heats up faster. After painting is done, time to attach modules to the heatsink. Zip ties are perfect for this because they are plastic, so they won't conduct any heat, while still holding everything tight together. Time for a quick test. Let's see if we are onto something. And yes, it looks promising. But the real test is outside, under direct summer sunlight. Leaving it in the sun and coming back after 30 minutes. Modules connected in series to increase voltage, and now all 3 modules together produce. Let's leave it onto the sun for another hour. And we got result. To generate more voltage, I need a big temperature difference, delta T, between hot and cold sides of this TEC module. So I decided to use cold water for the cold side, while keeping the hot side exposed to the sun. And this really proves that temperature difference is the key to generate more power under the Seebeck effect, as I got over 1 volt of output voltage. But as time goes by and cold water warms up, we lose that gain, but still can keep 0.8 volts for a quite long time. So, can these modules generate electricity? Absolutely! Can they generate useful amount of electricity? Yes, but only if you can maintain a large temperature difference. Is it an efficient way to generate electricity? Not really. If you enjoy this fun experiment, hit like. See you soon in my next video.